Hi everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I got an unboxing for September from SpiralRain already. This is from Canada. It's a very big box and it's quite heavy this month. I get dual boxes. I get the Apothecary and the Witch box. So there's 2 subscriptions in one because it saves shipping. But these items are usually wonderful and it comes with great info. So let's see what this month's box has got going on. Now it's September, so it could be a Mabon theme, fall themed, could be anything. We have a beautiful sticker as always. Oh, this isn't part of September's box. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the side. This is not part of September's box, but this is. So it's gonna be my bond. All right, I'm gonna go through that, and then we got our big box. Now, usually they do a green and black theme. Green is for the Apothecary, and black would be for the Witch box. So I'm going to start off with the green, because that's right here. So this will be for the Apothecary box. Ooh, I have my glasses on. We have a Mabon incense in this black metal tin. Definitely some sage in there. We got Mabon tea, smoky orange in this nice big container, bag, whatever you want to call it. And then we have bubble wrap, so I'm going to assume this is some oil. And we have, yes, Mabon ritual oil with the dropper. And so we got our incense, our tea, and our oil. All right, this is green as well. It's on the bottom, though. Yes, I'm gonna need a razor. Just a little bit. Oh, didn't need this too. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Beautiful stained glass, raven, and the pentacle. It's really beautiful. It's protected back here, so I don't want to rip it open. But yeah, it's beautiful. Really beautiful. That's gorgeous. And this says Apothecary Box. We got some cool stickers. That's really cute. Then this one. And this one. Those are really cute. And I think this is the last item, which is quite heavy. Apothecary Box. This might be a candle, I think. Let me see. Maybe not. Oh, it's a cauldron. Oh no, it's a cauldron candle. Oh, that's cool. Ah. It's a smudge candle. And you have a regular cauldron cast iron to use afterwards at the top. 2 in 1. That's awesome. That's really cool. I like that idea. What are you doing here, Billy? All right, now it's the witch box. So we have Shaman Vision Incense Box. Usually you get 15 sticks in here. And we got this item. Oh, Hedge Witch candle. Oh no, I'm sorry. Hedge Witch bath salts. I thought it was candle. Big jar. Ooh. It's definitely black. Okay. It's full to the top. Nice. It's really full to the top. That was a surprise. I mean, wow, that is really full. Then we have the Hedge Witch candle. Witcher candles are always delightful and full of stuff. Really nice. Very cool. We have a big item here. What's going on here? We have a matching tea light candle holder. The Raven, really pretty. And it has a battery lighted candle. Very nice. And came with this. Is this batteries maybe? No, it's a cute black cat or an owl. No, it's an owl. It's a cute owl. And it's got a pentacle on there. See it? That is cute. That's really cute. And the last item for the witch box. Ooh, Modern Guide to the Ancient Craft Inner Witch. Very, very nice. Nice, big, huge book. All right. So, let's go over the values first. It's in French, so we'll flip it over. Crystal's in English for me. All right, Apothecary. Value of $76.66. You got the candle, which is $28. You got the stained glass Raven, which is gorgeous, and that was $15. The oil is $15. The incense is $15. The tea is $12, and the stickers are $5. Then the Hedge Witch is a value of $86.06. The Raven candle holder and the votive is $25. The Inner Witch book is $22. The bath salts are $20. The candle is $15. The black onyx the black onyx owl is $15. The incense is $5. And the Book of Shadows sheets that are included here are $5. And there's also $5 worth of grimoire sheets for the Apothecary. And this is the box that loads you with wonderful info. Definitely worth it. I usually go through it all, but I guess you should save it for when you get the box. But it goes over everything. The moon cycles, the holidays, the zodiac, and there's recipes. There's undeniable amount of information in here. Then we have our cool hedge witchcraft sheet, and it has crystals on the back. We have Book of Shadows sheets, black salt, Avermillion oil, Spellbinder smoke, oil of the mystical realms, emotion potion, cauldron spirits. Then we got information on Maban. We got a color sheet here that we can color. Then it goes into the Maban beautiful Book of Shadows sheets. The old ways, the new ways, the spells. And these are so beautiful. And they're double-sided, so you can put these in a wonderful book. Absolutely. What do you guys like about these two boxes? I love it all. I think the items are always nice. They're big. So much information. Like I said, it's priceless. I mean, really, time and effort that goes into that is just amazing. I'll leave the information about this box again in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.